esteemed visionaries of our Sanstha. I kindly request our dignitaries to proceed with the lamp lighting ceremony. That I, Prerna Gaikwad, General Secretary of Student Council, on behalf of Janardhan Bhagat Shikshan Prasarak Sanstha, Bhagubai Jammu College of Law, welcome our esteemed dignitaries, esteemed respected faculty members, distinguished guests, enthusiastic participants, and dear students to the valedictory ceremony of Shastrarth, the National Moot Court Competition 2025. Today marks the incredible journey of intellect, argumentation, and legal brilliance, and the success that we all are gathered here to celebrate. A Sanskrit verse says, "Nahi jnanena sudrasya pavitramih vidyate," which means there is nothing as sacred as knowledge in this world. Today, as we honor the pursuit of legal wisdom, we extend our heartfelt welcome to our esteemed guests. With immense respect and gratitude, I extend a warm welcome to our esteemed dignitaries, Honorable Justice Umesh Salvi sir, Honorable Justice Abhay Tipse sir, Shri Ramshet Thakur sir, Shri Y.T. Deshmukh sir, Shri S.T. Gadde sir, Advocate Vinayak Puri sir, Advocate Rahul Gharat sir, our respected principal, Mrs. Sanvi Deshmukh ma'am, BLLB coordinator Dhanashri Kadam ma'am. We welcome you all. Now, I call upon the Vice President of the Moot Court Society, Ms. Isha Rahane, to introduce our esteemed guest of honor. Please, Isha.
Thank you, Prerna. Good evening, everyone. I, Isha Rane, Vice President of the Moot Court Society of Janardhan Bhagat Shikshan Prasarak Sanstha's Bhagubai Changu Thakur College of Law, New Panvel, welcome our esteemed dignitaries whose remarkable contributions to the Indian judiciary have left an indelible mark. We are truly privileged to have amongst us Umesh Dattatreya Salvi sir, a distinguished jurist. Sir has obtained his MSc in Biochemistry and LLB from University of Bombay. Sir enrolled as an advocate in the year 1977 and went on to serve as additional government leader and public prosecutor in Thane. Sir's judicial career commenced when he was appointed as a city civil and additional session judge in Mumbai in 1993. In 2006, Sir was elevated as the judge of the Bombay High Court, where he adjudicated numerous cases with exemplary dedication. Later, Sir served as a judicial member of the National Green Tribunal from 2013 to 2018, where his work contributed significantly to the cause of environmental justice. We extend a warm welcome to you, sir. It is also a distinct honor to welcome Justice Abhay Mahadev Tipse sir, an eminent jurist born on March 10, 1955 in Bombay. Justice Tipse began his illustrious legal career as an advocate in the year 1979 and joined the Maharashtra Judicial Service as a Metropolitan Magistrate in the year 1987. Sir's remarkable judicial journey led him to serve as a judge at the Bombay High Court from the year 2011 to 2016, where he handled several complex lengthy and sensitive legal and criminal cases with unparalleled expertise and insight. Sir later served at the Allahabad High Court, further contributing to the administration of justice. We extend a heartfelt welcome to you, sir. With such distinguished personalities gracing this occasion, we are certain that their presence will inspire and enlighten us all. We once again extend our warmest welcome to our esteemed guests and look forward to their valuable insights and guidance. I now request our General Secretary, Ms. Prerna Gaikwad, to kindly take over and extend the invitation.
Thank you, Isha, for a detailed and insightful introduction. Moving forward, it is time for the felicitation of our esteemed guest as a token of our respect and appreciation. I have the honor of inviting Honorable Shri Ramshet Thakur sir to felicitate Honorable Justice Umesh Sarvi sir with a sapling, shawl, shriphal and memento as a token of our respect and gratitude. Thank you, sir. I now request Honorable Shri Vaiti Deshmukh sir to felicitate Honorable Honorable Justice Abhay Lipse sir with a sapling, shawl, shriphal and memento as a token of our respect and gratitude. With great honor, I invite our principal ma'am to felicitate Honorable Shri Ramshet Thakur sir with a sapling as a token of our respect. I would like to invite PLLB coordinator Ms. Dhanashri Kadam ma'am to felicitate Honorable Shri Vaiti Deshmukh sir with a sapling as a token of our respect and appreciation. I would like to request our principal ma'am to felicitate Honorable Shri Dr. S.T. Gadde sir with a sapling as a token of our respect and appreciation. I take this opportunity to invite a DLEB coordinator to felicitate Advocate Vinayak Kohli sir with a sapling. I request our principal ma'am to kindly welcome Advocate Rahul sir with a sapling. I would now like to extend an invitation to Assistant Professor Aparajita Gupta ma'am to felicitate our principal ma'am with a sapling. I would also like to request our Assistant Professor Aparajita Gupta ma'am to felicitate DLEB coordinator Dhanashri Kadam ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Prerna. Good evening to one and all present here. I am Vivek Zadav, the Secretary of Moot Society of Janardhan Bhagat Shikshan Prasarak Sanstha, Bhagubai Changu Thakur College of Law, New Panvel. It is indeed a great honor to present a brief report on the Shastrarth National Moot Court Competition. This year's edition witnessed remarkable participation and showcased the immense potential and advocacy skills of budding legal minds from across the country. This year's competition attracted participation from 26 teams representing renowned law institutions. The event was conducted in 3 stages: preliminary round, semi-finals and the final round, each showcasing the determination and expertise of the participants. The prelims round saw intense competition with teams presenting well-reasoned arguments and confidently addressing complex legal issues. After a rigorous evaluation, the top 6 teams advanced to the semi-finals, which included Team 10, Team 12, Team 22, Team 01, Team 18, and Team 27. The semi-final rounds witnessed an even fiercer contest as these teams battled it out for a spot in the final round. After closely contested arguments, Team 18 and Team 22 emerged as the finalists. And the final round was a remarkable display of wit, knowledge, and persuasive advocacy. The 2 finalist teams presented compelling arguments and engaged in insightful rebuttals before the distinguished panel of judges. With that, we conclude the brief report of the Shastrarth National Moot Court Competition, and now I will request Prerna to take over the dice.
Thank you, Vivek, for the comprehensive report on Shastrarth. Now let us turn our attention to the words of wisdom from our esteemed guest, whose insights and experiences will surely inspire us all. I now invite Honorable Justice Umesh Salvi sir, former judge of the Bombay High Court, to address us. Please, sir.
On karo. Button press.
Dignitaries on the dais, our chairman, Mr. Thakur, the principal of this college, Mrs. Professor Deshmukh, my brother judge, my colleague, who has been with me for over a decade in the City Civilization Court, Justice Mr. Ipsek, and the new students who will fill the gap with passing of us from the stage of life. All of you and other dignitaries too on the dais. I must congratulate the management that they have been arranging such a program under the name and style of Shastrarth for 2025. Invitation was given to me when I saw the picture of Goddess of Justice, which is actually the reformed picture of the goddess Athena, or Themis as it is called in the Greek mythology. This is the reformed, I say reformed because what we find in her hand is the book and not the sword. Actually, this is a reformation which has come from the cultural reformation of our country, which has been going on since long. But in my personal opinion, the goddess Athena as she stood in her original picture, demonstrates the true spirit of justice. The reasons for this. One of the reasons is she has been giving the Shastra. Understand the word Shastra and understand the word Arth. In the philosophy, Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha, they have been the Purushartha of this society, particularly of the Indian subcontinent. What are the Purusharth? What do we mean by Purusharth? Does it is it gender specific? I would say no. It is something that you create, or you have a potential to create something out of something. That potential is called as one of the dharma, either dharma, artha, kama, moksha. And artha means the development of this great universe, great land. Now, why I say this? Because as we see in the present picture of goddess Athena, with the book in hand, what does it denote? It only denotes Shastra. It doesn't go beyond that. Actually, the sword is the symbol of the state, and it is meant to display or discourage the bad elements which may hover around the things for getting their spoils. I don't say dues, but the spoils. To dissuade them, to discourage or to dispel all that is evil, she holds a sword in her hand and a balance in her other hand. And the balance is to weigh the things which are placed in that pan, and it is that lady, the blindfolded lady. It is, the significance is that it doesn't see who is her, who is not her, but she only goes by what is being weighed in the pan. This is the true meaning of the goddess of justice. She gives the artha to the Shastra and not vice versa. What we now say is that it only Shastra in hand. This is very peculiar, but we mean to go by the book. We want to be more pedantic and not we do not want to, perhaps, we are not encouraging the spirit of justice. What is justice to be given, and therefore, in my personal opinion, the original deity that is shown on Athena is the true reflection of what justice means. Even then, we are the students, we should learn the Shastra first, and then you should decide what you want to become in your life. This is the stage when you should decide whether you want to be a lawyer, simpliciter, or you want to be a judge, or you want to be a legal advisor in a firm or a corporate office. That is for you to decide. But if you are enamored by the office of the judgeship, my only advice is try to have more and more cases, help the poor, because the poverty brings forth the litigation, and the litigants would come from that strata. If you help them, you get yourself exposed to the practice of law, and thereby you can help the judges and help the poor man who is in need of justice. If you follow this, I would say you will come across so many cases which will enrich your thought process and make a good material to be a good judge. That's all I can say for this. Thanks to the administration, and I take your leave. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring words. And I assure you that, sir, that we, all of us who are present here, we surely need your advice, and we learn a lot of things throughout the journey that is coming in our way. And next, I request Honorable Justice Abhay Tipse, sir, former judge of Bombay High Court, to share his valuable insights with us. Please, sir.
Brother Sangvi, Ramshet Thakur, the president of this esteemed Sanstha, other dignitaries on the dais, the principal and the staff of this BCT College of Law, and above all the participants. I will not make a big speech because I know that you are eager to know the results and you have had a strenuous time and now you want to see the results and celebrate your wins or victories. Personally, since Brother Salvi said about that, I would say that my views are also same, that earlier statue was better. But it so happened that some people started criticizing the statue on the ground of Patti by saying that it doesn't see the injustice. So that was not the idea of that Patti was that you don't discriminate by saying who is yours and who is not yours. And the sword, of course, is a symbol of power because you give a judgment and then you have power to enforce it. Now it is replaced by constitution. And there are two views, means Supreme Court Bar Association has also said that the earlier was better. But anyway, that's now a matter of past because it has been replaced by Supreme Court. Now I would just like to say certain things to law students. When I became a lawyer, the legal education was not so advanced. It's a fact that very few persons used to take it very seriously. Those who wanted to practice, there were very few. The colleges lacked infrastructures. The professors were only visiting professors like practicing busy advocates who hardly had much time for teaching. Then attendance was not very serious. And those who wanted to themselves study and practice were very few. But now the things have changed for the better. The scope of legal profession is increased. Now, apart from practicing, you have other opportunities in life, like employment. In those days, there were very few employment opportunities for legal professionals. Now there are many. Now, of course, judiciary is there. When I was in the High Court, I was selected as an ambassador by the Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa to induce people to join judiciary. I gave some 3-4 lectures in that regard. Of course, now you people are very versatile and you know the pros and cons, salary and all that. You must be knowing all the details. I would say that the life of a lawyer is very rewarding, whether you become a judge or not. Personally, I prefer a judge's life, but lawyer's life is also not less enjoyable or not less thrilling. As judges are respected, even good lawyers are respected in the society. Now, I am having, after retirement, I am experiencing my life as an advocate. Though, of course, at a very different level because we can't practice here. And as a senior advocate, there are limitations in our direct interactions with client. But what I tell you is that the biggest satisfaction you get is by directly interacting a client and getting him justice from the lowest level of court. That pleasure which we earlier had was unparalleled. Now, I always believe that legal profession is a unique profession. Legal education makes you a different person. If you compare them with other branches like engineering, medicine, I feel that these people lack overall knowledge of society and the government. The legal profession gives you an insight into what is the society like, what is the government, how it runs, what are the rights of citizens. And they are able to make themselves better citizens than the citizens who have come from other branches of education. Now, some of you will become legislators, some of you will become ministers, some of you will become judges, and some of you may enjoy your career as a lawyer. I wish good luck to all of you, and I feel that we enjoy your profession thoroughly. That is the one thing which is very essential for a good life. When I was a judge at various levels, at all levels I had been, 3 levels I had worked, and I always found it equally enjoyable. And not even one day I thought that I am working for a salary. And that is the pleasure in life, that you take interest in the work, then you don't find it troublesome at all. You don't find it strenuous at all. You don't feel that I am doing so much work and how less returns I am getting. And that is actually also not correct because now legal system is improved and judicial service is much better than even all India services. Formerly all India services were considered to be best, but if you study it properly now, you will find that the judicial service is better than the all India services also. I can tell you because when you are students, you may have so many doubts. I tell you that nobody interferes in your work even at the lowest level. It is you who can permit such interference, and where interference is there, it is only because the judge permits or he has other ambitions to fulfill for which he allows interference. If you don't want interference, nobody dares to interfere even at the lowest level in judiciary. And that is why even formidable politicians, rich people are all scared of judiciary. So I wish good luck to you. I congratulate the institution for organizing this Shastrarth 2025. Such competitions do help you, first of all, in getting together, because I see some you will part, but then friendships which you develop here, they may be useful to you at a later stage in your life if you take law as a career. So again, I end with wishing best luck to you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your enlightening words. Now, I request Honorable Shri Ramshit Thakur, sir, Chairman of Janardhan Bhagat Shikshan Prasarak Sanstha, to kindly share his words of wisdom. Please, sir.
जनार्दन भगत शिक्षण प्रसारक संस्थेच्या भागवई चांदूकाना ठाकूर कॉलेज ऑफ लॉ आज आपल्याकडं शास्त्रार्थ 2025 नॅशनल मूट कोर्ट कॉम्पिटिशन जे 3 दिवस इथं झालेले आहेत, चालू होती. त्याच्यामध्ये शेवटचं पर्व, शेवटचं सेशन आता सुरू झालेलं आहे आणि या कॉम्पिटिशन मधून ज्यांचे चांगले नंबर्स आले, पहिला, दुसरा, तिसरा, आणखीन काय असतील ते 4-5 नंबर्स आपण साधारणतः बक्षीस ठेवलेले आहेत आणि त्याचा रिझल्ट थोड्याच वेळात आपल्यासमोर येणार आहे. सुरुवातीलाच या आजच्या दिवसाच्या कार्यक्रमाकरता ऑनरेबल जस्टिस उमेश साळवी साहेब आणि त्याचबरोबर ऑनरेबल जस्टिस अभय कुपशे सर आले, त्याबद्दल मी तुमचं अभिनंदन करतो, हार्दिक स्वागत करतो आणि आपण स्वागत करता करता आभार पण मानतो. नंतर विश्वनाथ आभार पण मानतो. अतिशय फार मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये असा समारंभ साजरा होत आहे. त्या समारंभाला आमचे व्हाईस चेअरमन संस्थेचे कैटी देशमुख हजर आहेत, सचिव संस्थेचे गर्दे सर हजर आहेत. याच कॉलेजमधून शिकलेले विद्यार्थी असलेले आमचे 2 चेहरे समोर आहेत. एक विनायक कोळी, ते इथे शिकले आणि आता कॉलेज कमिटीमध्ये आमच्या डेव्हलपमेंट कमिटीमध्ये काम करतायत. दुसरे राहुल घरत, तेही इथे शिकले, नंतर लंडनला गेले आणि LLM म्हणून आले. मी आता इथं या कमिटीमध्ये काम करतायत आणि मनापासून काम करतायत. त्यांना आता सांगितलंय आता आम्ही मराठीवाले आणि हे सगळं जमाना इंग्रजीचा, तर इंग्लिश म्हणून मी BA आहे, फक्त काय BA आणि BEd, BE मराठीचा सब्जेक्ट उरला मराठी. मग 3 वर्ष सर्व्हिस केली. त्याच्यानंतर बिझनेसला गेलो. एक 76 ते 98 हे गेलं, बिझनेस केलं आणि मला पॉलिटिक्स मध्ये ढकललं. मग 2 वेळा मी खासदार झालो. त्याच्यानंतर पुन्हा म्हटलं बस झालं आपल्याला, हे पॉलिटिक्स हे आपलं काम नाही, पुन्हा शिक्षण क्षेत्राकडे येऊन आज शाळा कॉलेजकडे लक्ष देतो आहे. तर अशा पद्धतीनं आपल्या जीवनामध्ये घडी येत असते. आपल्या जीवनाला आपण वळण देत असतो, आपल्या मनाची अशक्ती साध्य करण्याचा आपण प्रयत्न करतो. पण कधी कधी असं होतं, मी ज्यावेळेस निवडणुकीला उभं राहिलो ना सर, त्यावेळेस माझ्या डोक्यात काय आलं होतं, अरे माजी मुख्यमंत्री, सेंट्रलचा हेल्थ मिनिस्टर, 3दा MP झालेले, त्याच्या विरुद्ध आपल्याला कसं टिकणार काय नाही म्हटलं भिंतीवर आपलं नाव तर आहे खासदारच्या दिवस म्हणून पण जे उभं राहिलो त्यावेळेला होप्स नव्हते त्यामुळे आता तुम्ही इतकी भरपूर संख्या जी आहेत प्रत्येक काळी फक्त 3-3 लोक आलेत आणि महाराष्ट्रातल्या जवळजवळ 30-35 कॉलेजमधून तिथं त्यात तुम्ही कॉम्पिटिशनसाठी आलेले आहात विविध तरातून महाराष्ट्राच्या बाहेरचे सुद्धा बेंगलोर आणि चेन्नई आणि दिल्ली इथून सुद्धा आलेले आहेत त्याच्यामुळे सरांनी आपल्याला चांगला वाचन केला इथं आल्यानंतर पहिल्यांदा आपण एकमेकाशी कसं विचार आदान प्रदान करतोय हे आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतं इतर ठिकाणचे इतर कॉलेजचे विचार काय हे आपल्याला ऐकायला मिळतं तर तशा प्रकारे आपल्याला ह्या कॉम्पिटिशनचा नक्कीच फायदा होणार मला वाटतं याचा फायदा त्या बीसीटी कॉलेजच्या भागुबाई ठाकूर कॉलेज आहे भागवत ठाकूर त्या कॉलेजच्या उद्यान होणार भागुबाई ठाकूर या समोर दिसत आहेत माझे मदर आहे ते आई आहे बाजूला माझे वडील आहेत तामिळनाडू ठाकूर बाजूच्या बाजूला तामिळनाडू ठाकूर A++ असलेलं असं ऑटोनॉमस कॉलेज आहे आणि ते माझे सासरे आहेत की ज्यांच्या जन्म संस्था पण लिहिले नसते म्हणजे मी सासऱ्याला पण अगदी मानाने होतो यावेळी सासऱ्यांकडे लक्ष देणं गरजेचं इकडे जाण्यात ठेवा इथं म्हणजे कालच विषय झाला आपल्याला की मुलींची संख्या मोठी आहे तर तुम्ही सांगा की रामशेठ बघायला सासऱ्याला कसा मान देतात तसं मी पण द्यायला पाहिजे तर अशा प्रकारे हे जे आपल्याला इथं आपण भाग घेतोय स्पर्धेमध्ये आज आता इथे हजर असलेल्या कार्यक्रमाला बीसीटी कॉलेजमधून भागुबाई ठाकूर कॉलेजमधून किती कॅन्डिडेट हजर आहेत विद्यार्थी विद्यार्थिनी हात वरती करत शिकेलीमध्ये आहेत का आहेत त्या शिकेलीमध्ये ऐकण्याकरता बघण्याकरता हजर असलेले आहेत ना 10-15 आहेत बाकी आता कॉम्पिटिटर आहेत बाकी सर्व कॉम्पिटिटर आहेत तुम्हाला जरा बघावंच वाटते की नाही चांगले ऐकलेत की नाही तुमचे कॉन्फिडन्स वाढणार आहे भाग घेतला जर नसला तरी ह्यांचं जे मगाशी आम्ही आज ऑफिसमध्ये बसलो होतो मगाशी गाडी पण येत होतो पण युट्यूबवर आपल्याला लाईव्ह आम्हाला पाहायला मिळत होतं हा ती बघते ना ही पण जास्त बोलत होती ठीक आहे तर तुम्ही विचारतो तर हे पाहत होतो तर कॉन्फिडन्स तुमचा फार चांगला दिसतोय म्हणजे बोलत असताना तुमचे मुद्दे जे मांडतायत तुम्ही ते मुद्दे कॉन्फिडन्स अतिशय चांगला दिसतोय त्याच्यामुळं मला खात्री पडली तर ज्यांनी कॉम्पिटिशन भाग घेतला ते सगळे चांगले वकील होणार तुम्हाला सगळे आश्वास त्याचा फार मोठा होणार आहे आता दुसरं वकील होणार त्यामुळे तुम्ही ज्येष्ठ होणार तुम्हाला ती संधी फार मोठ्या प्रमाणात आहे पण तेच सांगत असताना त्यांनी हेही सांगितलं आपल्याला की आपण लॉ कॉलेजला ऍडमिशन घेतलं म्हणजे लॉ होणारे आलंच त्यानंतर दुसरं कायद्याचं ज्ञान असावं माहीत उद्देशातला असू शकतो काही त्यांचा कन्सल्टन्सी वकिली हे उद्देश आहेत अशा प्रकारे तर हे आपले असतील पण साहेबांनी चांगलं मार्गदर्शन आपल्याला केलं की तुम्ही केसेस घेताना फक्त पैशाने करता असे मार्ग लागता सामान्य माणसाला पण न्याय देणार तर करता तुम्ही लढा आणि मग तुम्ही मोठे होतील पैशाने किंवा तुम्हाला पैसे कमी मिळतील पण सामान्य माणसाला पण न्याय दिला त्याच्या होण्या अन्याला आख्या पूर्णकरता आपण उभं राहिलं तर तुम्ही नक्कीच मोठे होणार आणि तशा दृष्टीने म्हणून या याच्यातून आपण हे सेक्टर सुद्धा फक्त घेऊन जाणार आहेत आणि बक्षीस पण मिळून जाणार आहेत ज्यांना बक्षीस मिळाली त्यांचं अभिनंदन ज्यांना बक्षीस नाही मिळत समजा पहिला दुसरा तिसरा जे आलेलं नसेल तरी तुम्ही चांगला प्रयत्न केला पुढच्या वेळेला बक्षीस मिळण्याकरता तुम्ही तयार झालात त्याबद्दल अभिनंदन तुमचं सर्वांचं पुन्हा एकदा अभिनंदन करतो आणि थांबतो जय हिंद जय महाराष्ट्र.
Thank you so much, sir, for your motivating address. And now the moment we all have been eagerly waiting for, that is the result declaration of Shastrarth 2025. I call upon Ms. Isharani and Mr. Vivek Jadhav to take the charge and announce the winners. Please.
Before we proceed, we would like to thank our esteemed panel of judges for their meticulous evaluation and insightful feedback, which have been invaluable to all our participants. Now, the moment we all have been eagerly waiting for has arrived. It's time to announce the winners and special awards for the Shastrarth Moot Court Competition 2025.
Now, I will declare the Best Mooter Award, Best Researcher Award. The Best Researcher Award goes to TC14. Value Including. Yes. Value Including option. Please come forward.
Now जो फोन फेलिसिटेट करना रहती
Now it's time for Best Memorial Award. I would request our guest of honor to present the award, and the Best Memorial goes to Team for 10 MLW Nagpur. Now, next award is Best Movie Award. I request Justice Saidi sir to present the award. Best Movie Award goes to Team 18 Speaker 1. Casey
The next guy.
And the moment we all have been waiting for, please raise yourself. Any guesses? Any guesses from the audience? I request our committees to please present the award of winning team collectively to Team Coach 18 KC Law College.
It's a good year. इकडे बघा समोर बघा
I would request the panel collectively to present the runner-up award to Team 22 Choice University Pune. Please present
Thank you so much, ma'am. Please give a big, huge round of applause for our winner and all the participants who have showed their enthusiasm. Thank you so much, everyone. As the former president of South Africa, Nelson Mandela, has once said, I never lose. I either win or learn. participants, your efforts, dedication, and hard work are truly commendable. And every experience here is a step towards excellence. So please keep going forward. To formally conclude this grand event, I invite Assistant Professor Aparajita Gupta ma'am, convener of Shastrarth.
Would you like to share some about the competition?
So I would like to request the winning team to kindly share some of the insights about the competition, please.
So this is quite impromptu in the first place to share something. I think when we approached this competition, we did not really aim to win. The only motto here was, as it was just quoted by Nelson Mandela, you either win or you learn. So there is nothing about losing. हारना है ही नहीं. In regards to the competition, I believe it was a tedious one, primarily because it was one after the other, one after the other. So 2 rounds yesterday and then 1 round today morning and again in the evening. So it was a tedious one. What I noticed is that preparation does happen at a much former period. So till the very last moment we think perhaps I need to revise more, I need to learn more, what more references could I put in. But I think it's all about letting that seep in. And towards the end, you just take a break and jo hoga dekha jayega, you know. And I think law, most importantly, this is what I perceive it to be. It's a very nice perspective. It's more about how you interpret it to be. You do not have to copy किसी ने बोला है, so I want to copy it. So I think it's all about that, and I'm really amazed, and I was even telling my coordinator, Khushi, that the way BCT has organized the entire event, it gives you that personalized touch. From the time you come here, they have a coordinator assigned to you even a week or 2 weeks prior to that, and that coordinator is more worried about where you're staying than you yourself. So it was a good overall experience, personalized enough. I was really in awe yesterday because there were so many simultaneous preliminary rounds happening, and the way coordinators are coordinating among themselves. Really huge appreciation to you all, to the college. And I think at least other colleges has a lot to learn from BCT in terms of management. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, that's all. And thank you all. You all have been very kind. Some of you all have come to speak to me, and I can only say I'm humbled. I'm humbled by all of you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And formally conclude this grand event, I would like to easy. Now I would like to invite someone from team number 22 to kindly share her insights, please.
So thank you so much, the college that conducted this event. Also, the best part for me was actually getting to present at this early age in front of the justices. So I think that was the best part of it, and thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you so much. I would like to request Assistant Professor Aparajita ma'am to kindly present code of thanks. Please, ma'am.
Respected dignitaries, esteemed judges, faculty members, participants, and regular guests. I am Assistant Professor Rajata Gupta, convener of this program. As we come to the very conclusion of first ever Shastrarth National Moot Competition 2025, I find myself in a bittersweet moment, overwhelmed with gratitude and intent to make further progress. Over the last 3 days, we have witnessed a battlefield of intellect, where words became weapons, arguments turned into art, and justice was passionately pursued. From intense preliminary rounds to now semi-finals and finals, this competition has truly been a celebration of advocacy. This elected sir, who presents a local television. Thank you so much, sir. A massive round of applause for our participants who came from across the country. And with knowledge, passion and courage. You were the soul of this program. Thank you so much. A special round of appreciation to our Sanskha and management for always supporting us and believing in our vision. A heartfelt gratitude to our principal, Mrs. Sani Ishmael, for having faith in me and believing that giving me this opportunity will be beneficial for our college. Behind the scenes of every successful event is an army of warriors, and I have my army. To my dear colleagues, warriors, and especially my core team, words will fall short, and your work day and night have made this event possible. You made a day and early reality. Thank you so much for this. And more thanks on discussion and debate and engagement. So thank you for the spectators and participants who came for these 3 days. And now as we close this chapter of Shastrarth Moot Competition 2025, let's not see it as an end, but as a beginning of something greater. The arguments may have lasted and the battles may have stayed, but the friendship, violence and passion of justice will continue beyond. I officially declare Shastrarth 2025 closed, but promise you for next year bigger and bolder. Keep questioning, keep moving, and